Speaking of fucking around in the woods and fire and shit, yeah. Consider this a spark light. Google it. This is just a metal stick that holds flints and a spark wheel. It comes with little tinder quicks, right? There's the oh fuck, who's making it now? The Strike Force. I think UST is making it right now. Maybe Herbert is or was. I forget the order. That's funny. I'm looking for my later in Traeger. You know, there's a Swedish fire steel, there's fire pistons, there's fire this, fire that, all kinds of commercial tenders, blah, blah. I use this. Okay, the fire steel is just because I want to throw it in a toy stand. Yes, a zippo will run out of fluid. If I'm out on a hike, I light my cigarette with a Bic, or, you know, I don't smoke. This, I just unpack the cotton balls in there, I remove the wick, and I replace it with cotton balls and Vaseline. So, I've got a spark light that holds some tinder, and I can make char with this, because, you know, take out the wick, there's a little hole, you sit in the fucking fire, there you go. And, you know, it's made to fucking stay lit in the wind, so put a little char in there, your spark wheel, and you can hold a fucking dozen extra flints in there with your cotton balls and Vaseline or whatever. You know, fire's not hard, you know. There's a reason a lot of fucking hikers and shit still just carry a goddamn Zippo. It's not to use it for lighting your cigarettes. It's a tinder box, really. Flint and fucking steel wheel. Flint, steel, and it'll hold tinder. It even helps you light it in shitty conditions. What do you need? Seriously. $20 for a Strike Force or $20 for this? And this I actually get to use and enough because I smoke. Not against the Strike Force or anything, it's just, you know, going out and like buying wet fire tinder and shit like that. And I like wet fire too, you know, I have a little piece of it fucking somewhere, but just for the sake of having it, the vast majority of the time I bring a Bic with me and I use that, and if that's being a pain in the ass, I have fucking cotton balls and Vaseline in here. I just take some out and stick them in there and you know, extra flints, of course. Smoking is much. Let's put this in perspective. This, okay. Smoking as much as I do, a flint lasts me a fucking month. A flint. So, you know. So I'm just saying. It's a goddamn smaller package than the Strike Force 2. Oh, on that note, for EDC, as seems to be known, peanut lighter from County Con. Yeah, same goddamn thing, same principle. Okay. But not windproof or anything. But it doesn't evaporate because it has a fucking O-ring, and it can be modified in exactly the same way. So there you go. Flint's cotton balls? Vaseline? Yeah, there you go. I probably wouldn't, just because it doesn't have a nice windshield, but and while we're at it, ages old Leatherman, whichever one has the wire strippers. Use the fuck out of it. Phoenix EL1. I preferred my old ARC AAA, but you know, this was cheaper, brighter. But the art anodizing is already wearing off, and it's only like a couple months old. And the ARC had thicker walls, and it's a little bit smaller, and chem coat inside, you know, in case your battery leaks or something. So all around nicer package, but you know, it cost me $40. This cost me $12. This is 10 lumens. They have another one that costs more that will do something like over 100 lumens off of a AAA. Man, it's really blowing my mind how fast technology is moving as far as lights. Seriously. Focal point clips, eons. That's it, really. What are we at? 6 minutes? Yeah, fuck it. Kershaw Vapor from China Mart. Does its job. Buck Prince, likewise. 503. Bucks are just stainless steel, but their heat treat is real nice, and I actually had this for a pretty decent amount of time. I lost. We'll use this one for now. Oh, good. You know, it's. I haven't sharpened this in like 3 fucking weeks. You know, I'm opening boxes and shit, so you know, for light duty, it's nice. They were both about $30. And this is pretty much my beater folder. It's not like the leak or anything. It's just frame lock and yeah, made in China, whatever. I think this is actually made in America. Yes, it is. I would like a nice fucking Benchmade or something, but I don't like knives that cost so much. I'm afraid to use them. I do lose them once in a great while, and if I lost $120 knife, I'd be kind of pissed. So that's the story on that. Still got some Thompson in my back pocket here. Cheap notebook, which is, you know, been in my back pocket a good while. It lives there. I'm not gonna bother because there's already a couple of videos floating around on that, but Spec Ops THE Junior wallet. Inside, while I have a few seconds left, towelette, extra tea. Alright.